Yes.
Then the vice principal of the hospital. First, the father of the deceased, the vice principal of the hospital.
So there cannot be two FIRs.
No, but both complaints were sent to us.
No.
Both complaints sent to us.
Tell us whose complaint is treated as,
Father of the deceased.
this is registered at what time?
That's
11:45 p.m.
11:45?
PM.
Now,
Next day.
Yes.
The night, Mother. In the night. Mother. In the night.
in
the
now,
night.
when is the body? One second. When is the body handed over to the parents for cremation?
Mother, kindly have this
Just
note
tell
that
us,
I've given.
what time is the body handed over to the parents for cremation? 1 second.
Around 3:30.
30:10.
No.
Therefore, one thing is very clear. The body is handed over to the parents for cremation at 8:30 p.m. The FIR is registered at 11:45 p.m. 3 hours and 15 minutes after the body is handed over to the parents for cremation.
They refused to file. This is the problem. We handed it over. They filed the FIR. They made the complaint at 11:45. They say, we are in shock. Please do whatever you want to do. They wanted a postmortem. We did the postmortem. All is videographed. Everything is videographed.
The autopsy and the postmortem take place.
Between 1:45 to 4 p.m.
Now, between 1:45 and 4 p.m., the autopsy takes place, followed by the postmortem.
The autopsy took place at 6 o'clock, not at.
Fair enough. That's all right. We'll take it as between 1 and 4 o'clock. It doesn't take place in 1 minute. It takes time.
Videograph.
1 second. Don't keep on interrupting.
They wanted a board. We constituted a board.
We are proceeding on the basis of Mr. Scribble's hypothesis that the autopsy and the postmortem take place between 1 and 4:45 in the afternoon. Now,
Lordship, there is-
clearly, the autopsy would reveal that this is a case where a doctor has been murdered, where she has been murdered.
Yeah.
The FIR is registered at 11:45 in the night, Mr. Sibal.
Yeah.
And who was expected to register?
Yeah.
Nobody in the hospital registers the FIR. The father registers the. What was the principal or the vice principal? What were the authorities of the hospital doing?
They wanted a board. We constituted a board. They wanted a magistrate. We got the
You
magistrate.
don't need time for registration of FIR. You don't need a medical board for registration of FIR.
At the moment, Mellas, what are we considering? We are considering, Mellas, 2 or 3 things, as your lordship has put to me. How did these photographs reach the social media? I'll mention all this. How did these photographs reach the media? We have nothing to do with it.
Let us not trivialize
everything. People there took photographs, came in, took photographs and sent it. Number 2, Mellas. Number 2, immediately, Mellas, an unnatural death case, Mellas, was started and an investigation was started. Your lordship may be right, Mellas, why did it happen? But whatever the parents were doing, we were agreeing with that. We set up a board. We asked the magistrate to come, a judicial magistrate to be present. Everything was videographed. Everything was called.
ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. అలాగే మా ఛానల్ ని ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని పక్కనే ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే మేము పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ గా వస్తుంది. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో పూర్తిగా చూసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు.